Now I arrived to Nikiszowiec district. It's a very famous place. You see how it looks like. Here is also a museum, and I will show you now everything and read the history. And if museum is opened, I will go inside. And look, where are we? It's a Nikiszowiec. Nikiszowiec is a historic district of Katowice located in southern Poland, known for its unique architectural and social history tied to the industrial heritage of the Silesian region. It was constructed between 1908 and 1918, following the rapid industrialization of the Upper Silesia. The district was designed by the well-known German architects Emil and George Zillmann, who also planned the nearby Gizowiec settlement. Unlike Gizowiec, which was built in a garden city style, Nikiszowiec was conceived as a compact urban housing estate with a distinctive brick-built architecture. The Zillmann brothers aimed to create a self-sufficient and cohesive community influenced by both German architectural traditions and local Silesian needs. Nikiszowiec is characterized by its unique red brick buildings, which became its iconic feature. The entire district was planned as a compact urban complex with connected housing blocks surrounding internal courtyards. Three-story residential blocks with distinctive red brick facades, arched gateways and passageways connecting different parts of the settlement, communal courtyards used for social gatherings, laundry and everyday life. Facilities such as a school, post office, police station and a church, the Church of St. Anne, ensuring that the residents had everything they needed within walking distance. During the interwar period, Nikiszowiec became an important cultural and social hub for the mining community. The settlement fostered a strong sense of community and local identity. The estate was mostly populated by workers from the Wieczorek mine, and many families had multi-generational ties to the mining industry. After World War II, Upper Silesia, including Katowice and Nikiszowiec, became part of Poland. The district continued to serve as a mining settlement, but the decline of the coal industry in the latter half of the 20th century led to economic hardships for its residents. During the communist era, the Polish government nationalized the mines, and the state took over the administration of the district. Despite these changes, Nikiszowiec retained much of its original architectural integrity, but the area faced economic decline, unemployment and depopulation as the mining industry contracted in the 1980s and 1990s. In recent decades, Nikiszowiec has undergone a significant transformation, driven by growing interest in its historical and cultural value. In 2011, the district was officially recognized as a historic monument of Poland, highlighting its importance as a cultural heritage site. Efforts have been made to preserve and restore the unique architecture of the district. It has become a popular tourist destination, known for its distinctive atmosphere, historical tours and cultural events. The area has also attracted artists, galleries and cafes, giving it new, vibrant life. Nikiszowiec Christmas Market is a major event, drawing visitors from across Poland and beyond. Modern-day Nikiszowiec is seen as a symbol of Silesian industrial heritage and identity. It is one of the few preserved examples of early 20th century workers' housing estates in Europe. The district's unique architecture, combined with its strong community spirit and the cultural significance, makes it a living museum of Silesian history. I hope you like the tour. Really nice place to be. Very symmetrical district. And now I will try to find a museum. If it is operating, I will go inside. Silesian Museum. Where are you? It's more beautiful when it's dark. Okay, I need to find a museum. I don't know where it is, but somewhere maybe over there. Here it is. It is operating, so we can visit it. Ticket costs 15 zlotys. It's about 3 euros. Let's explore. No, it's not operating. Okay, where are we? Nikiszowiec. It's a washing machine. Yeah. It's a water tap. Hop, hop. And you can wash here. Perfect. And it's a dryer, you see? Motorized. Perfect. Yeah, I was right. And here's final drying. That museum is too small. Only one floor and 2 rooms. €3. Okay, now it's time to go back to Katowice Centrum because dance lessons starts in 1 hour. Need to check what is going on. The next day and first Cuban salsa class. It is salsa social, and here is different class. It's not that bad. Need something eatable. My beloved table. And what do we have here? Soup of the day, rasol, jour, dorada, and draft beer. Which one? Beer from Faso, draft beer. But you have no alcohol in your bar? Okay, give me alcohol-free beer. Okay, let it be. Thank you very much. They have no alcohol license. Perfect. It's not that bad. Cheers. I've got something to eat. I have no idea what is it. Potatoes. Okay, колбаса. Let it be колбаса this time. Let's go. And please welcome my main dish. Oppa. It is amazing. One of the best I ever tasted. Without salt and really, really tasty. Morning. It seems we have a lot better weather today and we have a lot of things to do. But first of all, let's go and have some breakfast. Today we have more or less same as yesterday. Sun is shining. It'll be a good day today. Now I will take a look what is going on here at the festival, and later on I already have a plan where to go.
5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, enchufla, 3, 7.
visited several dance classes, and it's time to visit some interesting spots. And here we are. And people, please welcome. It is abandoned Zomberski Power Plant in Bytom, Poland. It is iconic red brick power plant designed by George and Emil Zillman. It was built in 1920s and abandoned since 1990. Let's go inside and check it out, what we have here. The plant is notable for its monumental red brick facade and massive chimneys, representative of early 20th century industrial architecture. Zomberski Power Plant is considered a significant culture and historical landmark. There have been ongoing discussions about preserving and repurposing the site, possibly as a cultural or event space. The eerie and atmospheric setting of the abandoned plant, with its empty halls and remained industrial equipment, has drawn attention from those interested in industrial heritage and history. While plans for its revitalization has been proposed, the future of Zomberski Power Plant remains uncertain. It's really, people, really very huge construction. And now we have 3:30 and it's enough time to raise the drone and I will show you that beauty. I think it'll be unbelievable. Hey doggy, hello. A big dog. It's time to say goodbye. I hope it was a really nice footage. Oh, look, they turned on the lights, but you cannot see, I think, from the camera. Very rare buildings, yes? And one more. They're so nice, from red bricks. My grandma asked me to buy spiritus for her, so I need to make that shit. Like a gearbox. Double. Spiritus. And also bought a bottle of wine for us. You see, bicycle, called Bicicleta, limited edition. I don't know if it's true or not, but it's not cheap. And social parties all the day long.
Flip, rotate, catch, and right over her.
Now it's 10 p.m. Saturday. Not a lot of dancers until now, but party already started. As always, you can find here a lot of offers for different dance festivals. Here, Venice, Milano, Greece, one more Greece. So, really a huge amount of dance festivals. And more and more and more. Almost every weekend. If you have money to travel, it's up to you. But if no money, no funny. So dear dancers, water, drink water. Third day is finished. Tomorrow I need to go back home, so on Sunday I will not be there. Really liked that festival. Tried to do my best. Made some video shoots. Hope you like it too. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and see you very soon. Bye bye. Morning, one more morning, 9 a.m. local time. I already had a breakfast and it's time to go back home. I'm a very experienced driver, so in my plan to make 800 kilometers in 5 hours, I will go fast. With a 55 kilowatt Caddy, it's impossible to make 800 kilometers in 5 hours, so let it be 6. Bye bye. I need to research what is that building is. Really interesting. I'm now demonstrating you a Silesian architecture. Look, it's really unique. I just broke my own record of crossing Warsaw. It took me about 15 minutes. It's faster than at night time. Still 500 kilometers to go. Timeless engine. So people, I just crossed the border. It took me 6 hours to reach Lithuania, 2 more hours to go, so in total 8 hours. Not 5, not 6, but all good. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a really nice weekend. So every new episode, every Sunday. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. What is that? Military police. Stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.